Understanding a raw deal, unpacking the phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that might sound a bit strange at first, a raw deal. If you're curious about what this means and how to use it in conversation, then you're in the right place. So, let's unravel the mystery together. A raw deal is an idiomatic expression used in English to describe a situation where someone has been treated unfairly or has received less than they deserved. It's like saying someone didn't get a fair share of the benefits or advantages that they were supposed to receive. It's important to note that this phrase often carries a sense of sympathy for the person who has received such unfair treatment. While the exact origin of a raw deal is not clear, it's believed to have originated from card games, where dealing cards improperly could result in a disadvantage. Over time, the phrase took on a broader meaning and is now used in various contexts to express injustice or unfairness. Let's look at how a raw deal can be used in everyday sentences. Many employees feel like they got a raw deal when the bonuses were distributed unequally. After the divorce, he got a raw deal with the custody arrangement, seeing his kids much less than he hoped. The fans thought the team got a raw deal when the referee made several questionable calls against them. These examples show how the phrase can be used to express dissatisfaction with unfair situations. If you're looking to use a different phrase with a similar meaning, consider these synonyms. An unfair situation, short end of the stick, bad bargain. Using synonyms can help convey the same message without repeating the same phrase, which is a great way to enhance your English vocabulary. I hope this discussion has helped clear up the meaning of a raw deal for you. Remember, it's all about fairness, or in this case, the lack of it. Use this phrase when you want to express that someone didn't get what they rightfully deserved. Thank you for watching, and we hope you now feel confident using a raw deal in your conversations. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.